A visual climate intelligence brief. 10 maps that explain climate change. Climate change is not a single environmental issue. It is a planetary systems transformation. These 10 maps help us understand how temperature, emissions, forests, water, coasts, weather, biodiversity, vulnerability, energy, and governance are reshaping the future. The geography of global warming. The world is warming, but not evenly. Land areas, northern high latitudes, mountains, drylands, and heat-prone settlements are experiencing sharper climate stress than global averages can show.
Carbon emissions and industrial civilization.
Carbon emissions follow the geography of industry, cities, transport, energy systems, and fossil fuel dependence. This map shows that decarbonization is not only technical, it is a transformation of development itself. Forest loss and natural climate infrastructure. Forests are living climate infrastructure. They store carbon, regulate rainfall, protect soils, support biodiversity, and stabilize watersheds. When forests disappear, climate risk spreads far beyond the forest boundary. Water stress and scarcity. Water is one of the clearest ways people experience climate change. Rising temperatures, shifting rainfall, drought, groundwater pressure, and flood risk are making water security a defining challenge of this century. Rising seas and coastal vulnerability. Sea level rise is a slow-moving but permanent threat. Low-lying coasts, deltas, ports, coastal cities, and small islands face growing risks from flooding, erosion, storm surge, and saltwater intrusion. Extreme weather in a warming world. Heat waves, floods, droughts, wildfires, and storms are becoming stronger climate signals. The greatest danger comes when hazards combine and overwhelm infrastructure, health systems, and local response capacity. Biodiversity under pressure. Climate change is pushing ecosystems and species beyond their limits. Biodiversity loss weakens pollination, soil protection, water regulation, carbon storage, and the natural foundations of human resilience. Climate vulnerability and human exposure. Climate risk is highest where hazard, exposure, poverty, and weak systems meet. The communities least responsible for climate change often face the greatest burden and the fewest resources to adapt. Renewable energy and the new energy geography. The energy transition is redrawing the global map. Solar, wind, storage, grids, critical minerals, and clean technologies are creating new opportunities for security, development, and climate action. Climate governance and collective action. Climate science shows the risks, but governance decides the response. Policies, finance, institutions, data, local participation, and accountability determine whether climate plans become real protection on the ground. Together, these 10 maps show that climate change is about more than temperature. It is about habitability, economy, ecology, justice, energy, and governance. The future requires climate intelligence, spatial, data-driven, community-centered, and action-oriented. For more such videos and report, follow FutureWorld Intelligence Organization, link in bio.